In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade XAUUSD using TradingView. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, open up your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type TradingView and hit Enter. TradingView is a powerful platform that many traders use to analyze price movements and make informed trading decisions. Once you've conducted your search, the first result should be TradingView's official website. Click on that link to be directed to the platform. It's a very user-friendly interface, which is great for both beginners and experienced traders. Now that you're on the TradingView homepage, look up at the top of the screen where you'll see a search bar. This is where you will type in the asset you want to trade. For our purposes today, go ahead and search for XAUUSD, or simply type in gold. XAUUSD is the ticker symbol for gold in US dollars, so either search will get you where you need to go. After you enter your search term, you should see a list of results. Click on the option that says Gold. It's crucial you select the right asset since trading gold can vary based on different market conditions. Once you click on Gold, you'll be taken to a preliminary view of the chart. But for a deeper analysis, you should take it a step further. Look for a button that says Full Chart and click on it. This will display a more comprehensive view of the gold market. You'll be able to see various timeframes, indicators, and a better layout for analyzing price movements. Now that you have the full chart open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the tools available. On the left-hand side, you'll find a variety of drawing tools that you can use to annotate the chart. This is where you can highlight key levels of support and resistance, which are essential for planning your trades. Above the chart, you'll notice various indicators and technical analysis tools. Some traders like to use RSI or moving averages to help assess market trends. It's a good idea to incorporate these into your strategy if they align with your trading style. Before you start trading, you should determine what type of analysis you want to conduct. Are you looking for short-term trades or longer-term holds? Depending on your choice, you can adjust your strategy accordingly. Some traders may even choose to use multiple timeframes to get a clearer picture of market movements. So let's recap. You opened TradingView, searched for XAUUSD or gold, and navigated to the full chart. From here, you'll be able to conduct your analysis, make informed trading decisions, and ultimately, place your trades responsibly. Remember, trading involves risks, and it's always wise to practice using a demo account before committing real money. Thank you for watching this video on how to trade XAUUSD on TradingView. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.